All right, to start, we're going to take off our 5 19mm lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to use some penetrating oil. We're going to try to spray it along here where the threads are, up here where the threads are, and then right in between where this jam nut and the tie rod end meet. So now I'm going to use a nice long set of pliers, and I'm going to try to break this jam nut free. So it's on there. There we go. It's moving nice and easy. So now that we broke the jam nut free, we want to make sure that we keep that exactly where it is, because the next step is where it becomes a little tricky. Generally speaking, you'd want to replace the inner tie rod and the outer tie rod at the same time. If for some reason you're not, there's something that you're going to need to worry about. You need to unscrew the inner tie rod end from the outer tie rod end right here. To do that, we're going to continue with our large pliers. I'm going to grip onto it like this, and then I'm just going to keep turning it and turning it and turning it until this comes completely unscrewed from the outer tie rod end. So it feels like it's off. There it is. Awesome. We're going to use a 21mm socket and remove this outer tie rod end nut. So we're going to take our new outer tie rod end and screw it on here. Okay. Take this, put it into your knuckle. So now we're going to take our castle nut, start this on here, and we're just going to bottom it out. Now we'll torque this down to manufacturer specifications. We're going to tighten this down to 30 foot-pounds. Now that it's torqued, you want to make sure that the castle opening of the nut is matched up with the hole on the stud. If it's not, you need to continue tightening until the next closest slot lines up. Pretty close. We're going to take our cotter pin, slide it through the hole, bend it over, and this cotter pin just ensures the nut cannot come loose. At this point, we're going to tighten up our jam nut. Make sure your tie rod's pretty much as flush as it can be with the knuckle. We're going to grab our wheel, get it back up on here, start our lug nuts on, and then we'll bottom them out and torque them down to manufacturer specifications. We're going to torque these down to 100 foot-pounds. All right, now down the road you go to the alignment shop.